Let's have some Cynful salmon with cream sauce tonight. Start out by brushing your salmon with the olive oil on both sides, by the way. And we want to have that salmon skin scaled, so make sure you do that before you start all of this. We're going to season with some Old Bay, salt and pepper, and a little bit of dill. Both sides again. We're going to make that skin crispy, and it's going to be awesome. So in a hot pan, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to place the fish flesh side down. That means meat side down. And we're going to cook it until you start to see that little light line right there. When that reaches about halfway up the side of the salmon, it's time to turn it over. Now we're going to flip it over and put it on skin side down. And we're going to let that skin cook and get crispy. We're going to temp it at 145 degrees internal temperature. Once it hits that, it's ready. You can pull it out of the pan, tent it under some foil. Then add the 2 tablespoons of butter, the 2 remaining tablespoons. We're going to hit it with some chives, some dill, and a little bit of that Old Bay seasoning. We're reinforcing those flavors we put on originally. Now to our pan, we're going to add our heavy cream after we stir that around a little bit, get everything loose. There's the heavy cream. We're going to go ahead and add that heavy cream. We're going to stir that in, and we're going to keep this bubbling really nicely throughout. And just keep stirring it until you start to see it leave some really nice tracks like this. And it'll stick to the back of a spoon when you take the back of a spoon and run it through it. Make a track in it. So we're going to squeeze a little bit of lemon on top of our salmon here. Do not put the lemon in the sauce. It will break the sauce. And then we're going to ladle our sauce over the top of the fish and top it with that crispy skin. We have a link to a downloadable and printable PDF file in the description, but here's the recipe anyway. I'd like to thank y'all for coming to my kitchen today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed evening.